Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a relative frequency bar graph. Here I have my example from the class and I transferred my data into the spreadsheet. The first step is to find the total number of frequencies. So to find that, I'm going to type total here. And you go to this cell and type equals sum, S-U-M, and open parentheses, and then select the numbers that you need to add together and click enter. So you will have the sum of your frequencies here. The next step is to create the relative frequency column. To create the relative frequency column, you click this cell and type equals, and then click the first cell here and divide that by the total number of frequencies. Please remember to lock the total number of frequencies because I don't want this cell to move around, and click enter. Now we calculated the first one. We drag the square down, the square right here, to fill automatically the rest of my relative frequencies, to calculate them automatically. Now to create the relative frequency bar graph, you're going to highlight your category at your relative frequency and then go to insert and go to the column or bar chart and choose the first one. Here you have your relative frequency bar graph. So I'm going to change this title to relative frequency bar graph of color. And then to add titles to your axis, you're going to click on this plus sign right here and click axis titles, and then change the first one to relative frequency, and then change this one to color. I hope this helped you, and I will see you in class.